Currently within an organization, you're living on-prem and you have your physical hardware either in a data center somewhere where you connect to or inside your own facility. And you have to manage the actual physical hardware. So every 4 years, you have to go and think about, I need to refresh my hardware. I have to spend, let's say, $1 million to refresh all of this hardware because it starts slowing down, it deteriorates, and you have this capital spend on a regular basis. What Microsoft Azure does is takes that capital spend every 4 years, the constant upgrades or the concern of a failure within an environment, and now you're moving it into, call it the Microsoft data center, where you pay an operational cost. So instead of the CapEx, it becomes an OpEx cost. You're not concerned as much with the performance of the hardware because you know it's going to be there all the time. You're not concerned about your failover because they have multiple data centers and it's replicated. So if it fails, the impact to you is you won't even notice it. Unlike if you have your own physical hardware, if you have a failure within a data center, you have to have your fallback area where you can actually bring up the environment. You have to go through that. Microsoft will handle that aspect for you. On top of that, you're not concerned about, let's say, the operating system, because now you know that the foundational operating of your environment is controlled by Microsoft, and they'll make sure you have the latest and greatest in there. If you build a server, you still have to patch the server, you still have to handle all the server needs that you would in an organization on a regular basis. But the bones of it, or as we used to call it, the bare metal infrastructure is gone. It's now the responsibility of Microsoft, and you're just plugging into that.